Hello YouTube, and as always, I always say, this is Fan of JD37. And true, and this is gonna be something completely different. I am thinking about making a new series called Make a Custom Train. And today, we are going to be making a Garret locomotive using this, and this, and this. And please don't be angry that the bogey's wheels are missing. Here are the wheels. For some reason, the fourth bogey wheel is missing, and I'm so sorry. So, before I begin, I have a special announcement. So, recently, I have 14 subscribers, and for me, at least, that is kind of amazing, because most people don't subscribe to my channel. So, that is kind of why I made that Happy New Year episode, from Fan of JD37 Shorts. So yeah, and what you're hearing in the background is my cat. I let him in my room. I'm trying to prevent him from eating anything, which he's pretty good. At not eating stuff. So, and also I have to tell all you fellow Fan of JD37 fans. I had recently sent a comment to Thomas 1, Edward 2, Henry 3, and I don't think he's seen my channel yet. So for all you Fan of JD37 fans of mine and Thomas 1, Edward 2, Henry 3 fans, please go comment to him question for Thomas 1, Edward 2, and Henry 3. Have you seen Fan of JD37's channel? If you haven't, go watch it. So, yeah, and he hasn't, reacted to my videos. So, I'm kind of disappointed that he didn't read my reply. Or my, yeah. So let's get started in making the custom. Let's do it now. Alright, sorry about that. I am so sorry. I had to find another piece, and yes, I know it's a different color. I'm going to switch that to make it more natural. More natural. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Natural. Yeah, natural. So, I'm not gonna use this, since, the cow catcher is blocking it and the pistons. So I'm just gonna have to use this, hot glue that. And then I'm just going to put this on just because. So I'm going to hot glue this, and you don't have to do this. You could just simply make a cardboard model with this, but I'm using Duplo just because Duplo's easier for me, at least. And also, please send me comments, because I barely have any new comments. I only have ones from November. So, please, just please give me comments. And also October. So, I stuck it on there. I know it's not really... Sorry. I know it's not really perfect, but this is a custom. I'm thinking about adding magnets on each side so that way it can go on wooden tracks. But I'm deciding not to. want to hot glue this coupling on, or, you know what, just screw it. Screw it. I'm just gonna add this. Like the real garret. Like a garret has cow catchers, right? Yep. Yep, it does. And that's what, like, that's what kind of makes it special and kind of easy to add. Yeah. This is what happens when you don't have a script. You just think of words that just come in your head, but not random words. There we go. Perhaps I should add something to support it. And yes, I'm working with a hot glue gun. You can use super glue, but I'm just choosing a hot glue gun. Just because. There we go. And hot glue it on there. There we go. That makes it much easier. So, I'm gonna let that, sorry if it's moving. It's charging while I'm making the video. Well, my phone's charging while I'm making the video. And, yeah. So, yeah. So, yeah, it only takes a few seconds before it kind of cools down. I kind of press on it, or like touch it for a few seconds, like when it's officially cooled down, and so, yeah. I'd say it's not bad. Could have been worse, so, frick. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. So, this is what it looks like. And I'm thinking about adding a coupling. I'm thinking about drilling it and adding it. But, I'm thinking not so much. I'm thinking not. Just using this, for example. I know the couplings don't fit with the Duplos or Mega Blocks. So, I'm just gonna have to hot glue this. Now I have to be careful. And yes, if I touch hot glue, I will cuss. Just putting that out there. There we go, and let's see if it will fit, or at least couple up to something. Let's try this. Ah! Frick. Whoa, that was so close. Not bad. Could have been worse. But this is a garret model, and it's not meant to be perfect. It's meant to just be made. So there we go. And usually garrets have a light on the front. But I'm not going to add that because I'm too lazy. So, all I need to do now is, wait, hold on. There we go. Way better. So, I got it on backwards. So, all I need to do now is to paint it. Now, this will be, I think, sped up. So, just putting that out there. Frick. And in the end, you have your very own garret locomotive. I know it's not what you thought it would look like, but hey, all that matters is trying. And I know I didn't paint this one. That's because I'm too lazy. And this took about hours to make. I mean, hours to dry. Completely dry. That's what I should have said. I think, like, I did the pictures and the videos and stuff, like, the rest of this, at 12 o'clock. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Please give me likes, and if you're wondering what the face for the Garrett locomotive is, just watch the Sodor Garrett from Thomas 1 Edward 293. Guys, bye!